Hello everyone. Welcome. Today we'll be discussing about the lesson Some Useful Chemicals of Science from class 6. So let's get started. We use different chemicals in our daily life. Can you name some of them? Yes. Toothpaste, soap, detergents, and many more. In this lesson, today, we'll be talking about the uses of some of the widely used chemicals in our daily lives. So, let's go. Can you name this? Well, yeah, that was easy. That's a baking soda. So what's a baking soda used for? Baking powder or baking soda, the chemical name of it is sodium bicarbonate. It looks kind of like a flour. It is also mixed with a little amount of cornstarch. The donuts that we eat, the cake, the breads, most of the bakery items, while making them, baking powder is used. It is used to make them soft, fluffy, and even taste good. When the baking powder gets heated, it releases carbon dioxide gas, so it makes them fluffy and soft inside. How about some celery? I love them. So it can also be used to make celery to make them crunchy as well as soft. That's how a cake is going puffy. Do you know the name of that device? Yes, it's a fire extinguisher. It is used to put out a fire. And one of the many chemicals used inside them, the baking powder is one of them. It releases carbon dioxide gas by chemical reaction which puts out the fire. It's also used in making soft drinks. Let's go into the second chemical, turmeric. Well, I'll say you're familiar with this. Yes, now you know it. So, in Nepali we call that as besar, and it's also known as haldi or hardi in Hindi. Turmeric is a fleshy rooted herb that's present on the roots, and turmeric powder is obtained by powdering the roots of turmeric plants. Let's see how a turmeric plants look like. That's the turmeric plant. So its root looks something like that. They are harvested. They are dried in the sun. And they are taken into the mills or the factories for crushing. And that's how we get the turmeric powder in our kitchen. Turmeric contains protein, fibers, minerals, and vitamins A, B, and C. It has a lot of health benefits. Do you remember, like when you were getting a flu or you were catching a cold and your mom gave you some water containing turmeric or milk with turmeric on it? So it's actually very good for your health. It's good for our skin as well. It's a natural painkiller. Now, can you tell me some uses of turmeric? Yes, it's used in so many of food items that we eat every day. It brings out the taste and the color as well. It's widely used in cooking and coloring food items like vegetables, pickles, etc. It is also used as a spices in industries and medicines. The first one is a package containing turmeric powder, and the second one is a medicine that basically contains turmeric. As you know, it has some health benefits as well. And turmeric is also used in very cosmetic products because it's good for skin. Here we have the turmeric moisturizer, a turmeric containing face wash, and another beauty product that contains turmeric. And last but not the least, you can also buy some turmeric soaps on the market. And turmeric is also used as a coloring material in pharmacy and food industry. Remember that time like when you drop some curry or some achar on your dress and the color or the stain didn't go? Yes, it is used for coloring different items. It is for coloring clothes. It's used for coloring wool and threads, and so on. So, the next chemical that we'll be talking is citric acid. So what exactly is this citric acid? The word citric comes from the word citrus. The juice of all the citrus fruits contains citric acid. Orange, lemon, amala, these are the examples of citrus fruits. So C for citrus, and C also stands for vitamin C because these all contain vitamin C. And citric acid, we use that in the form of amilo or chuk in our houses, and it's obtained from the juice of citrus fruits. And it's a good source of vitamin C, and it is obtained by boiling the juice of the citrus fruits. That's the amala, lemon, and so on. And yes, you remember correctly, it's used in pickles for bringing that sour taste. It's also used in preservation of foods because citric acid actually prevents the growth of bacteria. So it can be used for canning or for bottling different food items. Citric acid is also used to make juices. So as you can see, that's the label of a juice, and yes, one of the ingredients used on it is citric acid. So for the second part, please stay tuned. So that's all it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.